Alright guys, so we have a 2014 KX450f here, and it's basically when you start it up, it gets just a little bit of drip out of this peephole on the bottom of the water pump. Nothing to be alarmed about, too bad you could keep it topped off, but it's probably only going to get worse. So we just grabbed the seal from Cowie and just going to go ahead and replace this outer water pump seal here because it's only maybe a 10 or 15 minute job, super easy, and then we don't have to worry about it anymore. And then keep an eye out if you're watching this video, because soon after we're going to be tearing this down, doing a top end, plastics, graphics, probably greasing some stuff. So yeah, thanks for your time, and hope you stick around. Now the camera won't really focus very well on this seal, but if you were standing here looking at it, you can see there's some imperfections around the edge. You know, it was sitting in there like that. You can see there are some imperfections around the edge where it probably was leaking. So yeah, I'm going to put the new one in where I use a little bit of grease. Not too much. Get that new one slid in there. We're good to go. All right, we got it in there. We just want it to be flush with the edge, and we're good to go. All right, so put your impeller back on. The impeller is much easier to take on and install with an impact. Yeah, now just don't forget to fill it up with radiator fluid. If anybody didn't see the weep hole, it's right there. So that's where it'll be coming out of. You know, if it comes out of that hole, it's that inner seal. If your oil is milky, if it comes out of that hole, it's your outer seal. If your oil is milky, it's your inner seal. Thanks for watching.